Do we see Donald Trump's U-turn on India and Prime Minister Modi's measured response and the geopolitical chessboard, of course, cannot be ignored. Namaskar, welcome to the Global Eye. I'm Mosmi.
So we'll see.
And are you ready to reset relations with India at this point?
I always will. I'll always be friends with Modi. He's great. Prime Minister, he's great. I'll always be friends, but I just don't like what he's doing at this particular moment. But India and the United States have a special relationship. There's nothing to worry about. We just have moments on occasion.
How are trade talks going with India and with other countries that you haven't reached a trade deal with, Secretary Vestager?
They're going great. Other countries are doing great. We're doing great with all of them. We're upset with the European Union because of what's happening with not
me. Politics, they say, is the art of the possible. And today, US President Donald Trump has turned that art into a full-blown performance, this time on India. At a press meet with his trademark swagger, Donald Trump declared that India-US relations are very special, calling Prime Minister Narendra Modi a great leader and insisting the two leaders would always be friends. Quite a departure from the fiery trade tariff threats and economic jabs he threw at New Delhi not too long ago. So what happened? Why the sudden U-turn? Has the great deal maker of Washington realized that arm wrestling India economically is a losing bet? Or is Trump merely playing his favorite game of political chess where every compliment has a price tag hidden behind a smile? Meanwhile, Prime Minister Modi, ever the statesman, took to social media platform X, offering a polite yet firm acknowledgement. He wrote, "Deeply appreciate and fully reciprocate President Trump's sentiments and positive assessment of our ties." These are Modi's words. Modi hailed the India-US partnership as very positive and forward-looking, choosing diplomacy over drama. But let's not ignore the other half of this geopolitical theater. China's President Xi Jinping, who until recently was playing the role of a bully on the world stage, has suddenly adopted a softer tone. From aggressive border posturing and economic maneuvering to now sending out carefully worded olive branches, Xi Jinping seems to be recalibrating. Could this be the realization that bullying India won't get him anywhere? Has Beijing finally acknowledged that New Delhi is no longer the quiet player on the sidelines, but a rising power cementing ties with Washington, Tokyo, and its age-old friend Moscow? Russia, of course, remains the constant in India's strategic equation, a reminder that India has multiple pillars of support. Could Xi be calculating that a resurgent India-Russia friendship and India's growing closeness with the US under Donald Trump leaves China in a tricky spot? And speaking of tricky spots, let's return to Donald Trump. The self-styled master negotiator seems to be softening his rhetoric, perhaps realizing that alienating India, a market of 1.4 billion people, and a rising economic powerhouse, isn't exactly a winning strategy. Could this mean a quiet burial for his tariff threats? Is this a pre-election strategy to win over the influential Indian-American vote bank, or simply Trump's instinct for self-preservation? Of course, this is the last chance. Trump has only just 2.5, 3 years. But while this public display of bromance between Trump and Modi might make headlines, New Delhi must tread cautiously. This is not the time to be starry-eyed. Trump's compliments have often been as unpredictable as his tweets, and India cannot afford to be swept away by romantic overtures. Strategic partnerships must be built on interest, not just flattery. So here's what we must ask. Is President Donald Trump his sudden warmth toward India a genuine strategic shift or a mere election year stunt? Of course, there is no election. He will only put forth his party. Xi Jinping's softened tone a sign of strategic retreat or just another move in China's long game? Can India continue to balance its partnerships with both Washington and Moscow while keeping Beijing in check? And most importantly, will India resist the temptation of romance diplomacy and hold its ground on trade, technology, and territorial sovereignty? Trump's performance may have earned him applause for the day, but India must remember, in geopolitics, friends are fleeting, interests are permanent, the world's stage is set, and India's role as a balancing power has never been clearer. For more updates and deep insights, keep watching The Global Eye.